Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, August 3rd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I want to talk to you about the best new MLM company in Japan. Now, I'm on MLM.com, and this was an article written back in September of 2022, so it's not yet a year old, and it just shows you some global MLM stats, okay? Now, if you see right here, this is the 2021 retail sales by country in US dollars, okay? You're going to see that Japan is right here, and they account for 8% of all multi-level marketing sales, okay? They come in at $14.2 billion they did in network marketing sales in 2021, okay? Which is pretty amazing, actually. So you can see them right here, all right? 8%. So if you're a leader in Japan, or if you know people in Japan who are in the multi-level marketing business, you want to share this with them, okay? You can visit the link down below, gotbackupsystem.com, and go check out this amazing opportunity. And I'm going to go over it briefly with you in this video. All right, so this is Got Backup. This was launched back on April 4th of this year. We are in over 100 countries already, folks, okay? We're blowing up all over the place. This is a digital product. Anybody with a device, particularly a cell phone, and an internet connection can use this, all right? Not only use the software, but can become a reseller and make money by sharing this opportunity with other people, okay? So what Got Backup is, it's secure storage. You can back up all your photos, music, emails, videos, documents, and more. You can access your files anywhere. There's super fast transfers, right? We do not limit your transfer speeds or bandwidth. Our data centers have super fast connectivity. This works on Mac and Windows. We have an app for the Android phone and the iPhone. You can get started for just $8.99 a month. It's 100% automated, okay? So if you go and take a photo or make a video, my wife makes videos, does reels online. So whenever she does a video or takes a picture, it automatically gets backed up into the cloud. So you never have to worry about losing anything. All right, we have secure backup, as you can see here. The company uses military-grade encryption. And then, as I mentioned, we have the mobile apps. So you can do an $8.99 personal backup plan, which gives you 1 terabyte for one account. All right, it's $8.99. That's 99.9% of the people that sign up to use our services sign up right here for the family plan. All right, it's 6 terabytes of backup for $9.97 a month. It can be used on an unlimited amount of devices, and it can be shared with up to 5 other people, okay? So this is what people are purchasing when they join, okay? They're getting the family plan. There are competitors like Dropbox and iCloud. However, there's no competitors in the network marketing world, okay? None of them are paying commissions like we do. None of them are offering 6 terabytes for $9.97. All of the other ones, the minimum is 2 terabytes for $10 a month. And that's usually only good for one person, okay? So we're not any better than these other companies in the data storage that we provide, but we offer way more value. So with that being said, there's no competition anywhere, all right? Again, if you're a leader in Japan, or if you know leaders in the network marketing world, this is something that you want to share this with, because we are blowing up all over the place, all right? We're just on fire. We're, like I said, we're in over 100 countries already, and we just launched back on April 4th. So this is going to be huge. Like Dropbox has over 700 million customers, okay? And we have people from Dropbox and other companies already getting done with that and coming over to us. So this is going to be a huge opportunity. And again, Japan is one of the top leaders in the network marketing world, and this is something that could, blow up over there as well, okay? So if you're interested in this, click the link down below, gotbackupsystem.com. It's going to take you over to this tour page here that looks just like this. There's a 6-minute video here that you can watch. Then you simply enter your name and a valid email address and click Reserve My Position Now, okay? Folks, you can start this for a one-time $40 reseller fee and then the $9.97 a month. So your initial payment is $49.97. You're going to earn 200% commissions your first month on all your direct referrals. You're going to earn 25% on each of your direct referrals every month thereafter, as long as they stay active. which with this, people aren't quitting this because it's a service that everybody needs. Then you're going to earn a 25% check match on all of your direct referrals. So if they bring in $1,000 a month, you're going to earn $250 from their work, okay? On top of that, we also have a binary matrix where the company takes the 25% of the net profits each month and distributes them out evenly amongst everyone in the matrix who earns cycles, okay? So if you have any questions about this, leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. One thing I did forget to mention, we do have a yearly option that you can pay $99.97 for the entire year. You get 2 months for free, plus the $40 reseller fee for a total of $139.97. You can be up and operating your own global business where the income potential is virtually unlimited. All right, it's going to be based on your work ethic. All right, so I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this, but I can guarantee you that if you show up every day and treat it like a real business that it is, you're bound to have success with this. So I hope you found value in my video. If you did, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.